came around the counter and stood right here, like, what's up?
Once I seen the pizza being thrown from that side of the counter towards Ricky, I'm like, okay, this is about to get out of hand.
I said, bro, you got a knife over pizza? It aggravates me over something stupid.
Did you get your food at least?
I did.
I want the pizza. I don't even trust it.
You don't trust the pizza?
No, I don't.
This is our first Karen. Oh my god.
In today's After Hours, officers across the country came in hot and ready and delivered justice. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. Wait for it. I'm Sam Goldberg. We begin today's episode in St. Petersburg, Florida at a Domino's Pizza. It's 1:30 in the morning and an employee has called police to report a customer who allegedly threw a pizza and damaged the store's phone. The supervisor on duty gives the officer a rundown of what happened.
Is it your phone that she threw?
No, the store phone.
Oh, the store
It's
phone.
broken.
Gotcha. Okay.
She completely broke the store phone.
Okay. What was she upset about?
She said her food took over an hour, and I apologize. We have one driver. That happens. And she said every time she orders from here, it's been an issue for 5 years. Why does she keep ordering from here? She makes it seem like we make it seem like it's her issue. We always say we're understaffed, and I'm like, I apologize. That's the issue. We are understaffed.
So was the food driven to her place and then, or
It was delivered.
Oh, it was delivered. Okay.
Yeah, it was delivered. And then she said the pizza wasn't cut, which I see it wasn't. She came back, we were going to give her a refund, and then she threw the pizza at me, said something about me being a white wanting to be black like her.
Okay.
Went to the race thing, talking about I'll beat your ass, walk out this door, come around the counter, I'm going to beat the you.
Okay.
So I came around the counter and stood right here, like, what's up? And then the two drivers got in between us.
Okay.
And then her girlfriend came in the store, and I said, go get a picture of their tag, because she'd already broken the phone and thrown everything.
At what point did she break the phone?
After she threw the pizza, she picked the phone up and slammed it down and swung it that way. These were in here.
Okay.
I mean, the phone's broken.
And then is that when she started saying all those words and all that? Okay.
And then the girlfriend came in, and I said, go get a picture of the tag, and they said, oh, you won't be getting a picture of our tag. And I said, yeah, we will.
Okay. Do you remember what she was wearing? What kind of clothes?
The one that threw the stuff and broke the thing was in pink pajama pants with like
pajama
little
pants.
designs on them, and a black shirt with a design on the front, hair down, edges laid on her face, big flowy hair. The stud was in a gray sweatsuit.
Was that the other one?
One driving.
Okay, the one driving. Okay. Was he here the whole time?
He was.
He was. All right. Hey, sir, can I come talk to you? So, what happened? Just from your point of view.
All I know, I heard her up and arguing with them, and I walked up to the front, and I seen the chick she argued with slung the piece up in the air.
Okay, in the air?
Yeah, she started the piece, that's what I call it.
Okay.
I walked home back washing the dishes, and I seen the piece go up in the air.
Okay. Was the pizza thrown at someone, or was she just tossed in the air?
She threw it at her.
At her? Okay. And then what happened after that?
Yeah, they just going back and forth after that.
Okay, what about the phone? Did you see any of that?
Yeah, I seen when she did that. She did this and knocked it off this and broke it.
Okay, gotcha. What was she upset about?
The pizza.
The pizza? That was cool.
Yeah. When she was on the phone, I heard her saying somebody was not cut right or something like that.
Okay. What was she saying during the altercation?
I won't rip him. I'll just make sure she ain't made no unnecessary movement to try it.
Okay. And which one was the one that tossed the phone and all that?
The light-skinned one.
Light-skinned one? Do you remember what she was wearing?
The pink pants with
Pink
black
pants.
shirt.
Okay. What's your first name?
Kenneth. Kenneth.
The woman at the center of the scuffle, Ricky Holly, is out in the parking lot. She tells the officer that she's fed up with the service she keeps getting from this Domino's.
Spoke to the manager. I got their side of the story. Can I speak to you about
Sure.
Okay.
So around like 12, I ordered a pizza. It was online.
12?
Yes, the pizza got there maybe like 1:15ish. So there was a guy with dreads. He delivered the pizza.
Right.
So I went in the house, obviously opened the pizza. I saw the pizza. I ordered pizza and wings. When I opened the box, the pizza was not cut. How they cut it. It wasn't cut at all.
So you were
right.
upset, right?
Correct. So I called, and
first time, no one answered. I figured they were about to close at 2, so let me call back again. Like a white female answered the phone. So I'm like, hi, I just ordered a pizza. I ordered a pizza and wings. My pizza wasn't cut. Do you guys still like cut the pizza in like the sections like you normally do? She said, yeah. So I was like, okay, well my pizza wasn't cut. I was like, and I live right around the corner. I've lived here for like 6 years. Every time I come up here or deliver, it's always a problem.
Right.
And then she's like, well, we're short-staffed, and if the only issue that you had was that it was a long time but your pizza was right, then I don't think you should be complaining about the fact that it wasn't cut, which I felt like was really rude. So I'm like, well, no. I'm like, well, I have a right to complain. If it was not cut, then it wasn't cut. Right. And she was like, so basically what you're saying is it got there, you got it, but it just wasn't cut. And then she just hung up the phone.
Okay.
So I'm like,
I'd be upset too.
okay, no problem. Right. So I'm like, well, you can just take the whole pizza. I don't even want it back at this point. Okay. So I went up here. The door was unlocked. Entered the door. Yep. There was one person in the front, the same one who delivered it. And I know that because he said, do you want this back? And it was my 20 that I just had given him. Okay. And I said, yeah, I want a refund. Like, I don't want this food. He said, okay, I got you. Don't worry about it. So as he's doing the refund, then she comes from like behind him, like up behind him. Yeah. And she's like, no, when she walked up, I said, are you the one I spoke to over the phone? She said, yeah. So I was like, is there a reason why you hung up on me? And she said, you were being loud and rude and irate. Mm-hmm. And I kind of feel like, don't lie on me. I wasn't rude and I wasn't irate. You're upset because it's 2 o'clock, you're about to close, and someone's calling and complaining. Get it, you probably don't want to hear it, I understand that, but don't hang up on me. Yeah. So I'm like, so that's why you hung up? Because I was rude and irate? And I was like, and I wasn't even rude or irate, but now I am, because I'm mad that you just hung up and didn't even allow me to say anything. Right. And she was like, well, you know what, speaking to him, she said, don't give her money back and don't give her a refund. And I was like, okay, that's fine, you can keep your pizza. Yeah. So as I'm about to walk away, she starts like, oh, well, da-da-da-da-da, and just, it was beyond ridiculous over a pizza and some wings. So when she did that, literally, I turned around.
She did what?
She was like calling me.
So she was being verbally abusive.
Correct. Okay. So then, of course, I'm not going to lie to you, I said words as well. Okay. So we're having this verbal altercation back and forth. Mm-hmm. So before I knew it, the pizza, because I just had returned it, was on the counter. Okay. She literally flipped up the pizza. So the pizza box and the pizza fell. Sauce was flaying everywhere. So when she did that, I said, you're so lucky none of that sauce got on me. I was like, I don't really have time for this. Clearly you need this job, so I'm just going to go. So she literally, and there was another guy in there too at that point. I noticed he was there. I guess he came from the back. So she came around the counter. So at this point, we're like here. Yeah. So then one of the coworkers.
Where was the pizza at the time?
I believe it was on the.
When it got flung?
On the. Either the floor on the counter, it flipped up. I really didn't see it. Okay. I think it was on the floor. I know the box was definitely on the floor though.
Like on the floor?
Yes, on the floor.
Who placed the pizza on the floor?
When she flicked it up, like when she was on the counter and she flicked the box up.
Okay, so the box was on the counter when
correct,
she flicked
when
it
I
up?
returned it, right.
Okay.
So then she flicked it up, it fell, it flew in the air, and pizza sauce was everywhere. Okay. So that's when I said what I said. Yeah. Like, I hope it didn't get on me, you're lucky it didn't get on me. And at that point, we're just having an altercation back and forth still. So then she comes around the counter. So one of her coworkers was still behind the counter. The other one, who I guess was still in there the whole time, he came in between us. So then my friend, who was parked right over there next to her, that car, I believe it's hers, at that point, she just walked in. Like, she walked in and was like trying to separate everything. So at that point, I just kind of walked outside. As we walked outside, she follows us outside and instructs one of her workers, I guess, to take a picture of the license plate, which was not a problem. I sat there, but that's why I'm here, to sit, because I have nothing, I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not going to go home and have this big thing. So I stayed and waited for you to get here, because I figured after seeing her on the phone, she was calling.
The officer reads her rights before asking more specific questions, and Ricky agrees to speak with him. He's concerned about the damage to the store's phone, but she claims she knows nothing about that.
Okay, between you and I, the telephone looks completely torn up. Or a box, so cardboard box is not going to do that type of damage to the phone. So is there anything else? Did you at any point touch the phone, attempt to break it?
I didn't touch the phone or attempt to break it at all. I have a phone. I have no reason to do that.
Why would the employee damage the phone?
Why would the employee damage the phone?
Their own store phone, yeah.
I have no idea what I don't know.
So you don't know what happened to the phone. They're telling me you grabbed the phone, smashed it to pieces.
I grabbed the phone and smashed it to pieces?
Yeah, I mean, that's what they're alleging.
I'm sorry, but no.
You understand that there's cameras inside the store as well?
I certainly understand that.
Okay.
again, like I said, there was someone who was seeing the whole entire thing in the car. Like, I have no reason to lie at all.
I understand.
No, I'm
And,
just saying,
You
I
know,
kinda
there
feel
were
like
multiple people inside the store as well that saw the altercation and, you know, what happened inside.
Well, I don't think it was multiple. Well, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to argue.
Well, the manager and the other worker that was inside, correct?
Correct.
Including you and your friend, right?
So yeah, it was them two, and I was there, and she was literally at the car watching the entire thing. I didn't break a phone. I have no reason to lie to you at all. But to sit here and say, oh.
So you understand where I'm coming from, though, right? I just got to this call.
Right.
I go through those doors, pizza's everywhere, which makes sense, you know. You said it was tossed by an employee. I look at the countertop, the whole entire phone, the store phone is completely shattered. It would take a lot of force to completely destroy that phone. It's not like it was knocked over or anything. It's literally in pieces.
Right, but again.
But do you see where I'm coming from? Like, I'm puzzled as how that occurred.
Sir, I understand where you're coming from. Right, again.
And there are people saying that they saw you toss the phone up and damage the phone. So either you're sitting here lying to my face about what happened about the phone, or because you know, next thing I'm going to look through the cameras and then we'll go from there.
You can look at the camera, like I said
I'm giving
before.
you another chance to tell me the truth about the phone.
I don't like how you're speaking to me.
Okay.
No. What I'm saying to you is I told you the exact story.
Okay.
I didn't purposely go in and do anything to a phone. Like I said, I sat it on the counter. When I sat it on the counter, if this is the counter I'm walking up to, I literally sat it to the left of me. When I literally said, oh, well, you can keep it, I literally just scooted it up. Like, I didn't do anything to a phone. And I don't want to curse, but it damn sure wasn't on purpose. Like I said, I didn't do anything to a phone. I literally scooted it up.
Scoot the pizza box.
Correct. Like, I flipped it up. Now, granted, again, it was the heat of the moment, but I didn't. The way that you said it was that.
The box, I don't think would damage the phone, correct?
I get that, but I know that I'm telling you, right, I did not take a phone and I didn't do any of that.
So when you came in through those doors with the pizza, how did you see anything out of the ordinary about the phone? Was it in pieces? Was it all together?
To be completely honest, I wasn't looking at a phone. I just sat the pizza box down.
So you wouldn't be able to tell me what the status of the store phone was at the time when you came in through the door?
I wasn't looking at a phone. I don't know.
Okay. Fair enough.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Okay. Give me a
The officer speaks with two other witnesses, including another Domino's employee and Ricky's friend, who waited in the car while Ricky went inside.
So what happened?
And I was trying to stop them from fighting, though.
What happened?
So, she did break the phone. All that damn pizza and everything. Yes, she was throwing that. She was trying to protect herself at the same time because she thought that she was going to really hit her. So,
Okay, so...
But that's when I had walked around and I was like trying to stop them.
Were you inside the whole time?
Huh?
Were you inside it?
Yeah, the whole time while it was happening. Then she walked down and then went back in her car. And then that's when she was sitting right there in her parking spot.
Gotcha. So can you tell me what happened after she walked in?
Okay, so are you saying when she walked in?
When she walked in.
Okay, when she walked in, she was arguing, yelling at her, boom, boom, this and that.
Yeah.
And she was like, oh, we can't give you your money back because, you know, whatever was wrong with the pizza. I don't know what the hell was wrong with the pizza.
Right.
That's the part that I don't know. But she was real mad that she like flipped the food and every damn thing all on the floor and shit like that.
Who was the one that flipped the pizza?
Her, she did.
Okay.
She flipped the food and everything, the wings and all that, and it got all over the place. She broke the phone.
Did she throw the pizza at someone or just dropped it?
she flipped it like towards her, and that's when it got on her, and then that's when everything else.
What happened after that?
After that, she came around and was trying to tell her like, oh, can you get out the store and this and that. She was trying to get all of her face. Her friend came in and was trying to protect her. I came around too, and I was trying to like block them from fighting. And then that's when she was just yelling, and then she walked out and went in her car.
What about the phone?
The phone, yeah, she was flipping everything. Like when she was flipping the pizza too, she flipped the phone and everything and broke the phone.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get your name?
Rashad.
So what happened? I know she was upset about the pizza.
She was upset about the pizza. She waited, like an hour and a half or so. The pizza finally gets there. It's not cut,
It's not cut, right?
Yeah, and it kind of upset her. So she's just calling in just to make a complaint. She called, she waited on the phone for about 10-15 minutes, like listening to the recordings and all of that. Someone finally answers the phone, a woman, answers the phone. Ricky, she's explaining to her, hey, I waited this long, you know, I get my pizza, you know, I paid my money, you know what I mean? Like, my pizza's not right. So the lady keeps saying, oh, well, we're understaffed, sorry for the long wait, you know. But you could hear the attitude from this woman, this lady.
What happened after she got here and went through the door with the pizza?
So here we are trying to return the pizza so that she can get her refund because she paid in cash. But the thing about it is, in the midst of her complaining, the lady hung the phone up on her. So that made the situation 10 times worse.
I get it.
So this is why we came up here. We're gonna return the pizza. We're gonna, you know, she's gonna want her money back. I let her go in the store by herself. She said she had it. It was fine. She walks in. She puts the pizza in the chicken wing box on the counter. Like, I can see her talking to the one gentleman about.
What happened after that?
I'm sorry.
How you doing?
I see her talking to this one gentleman, black guy, but I see the lady on the left side. But as soon as she walks in the store, the lady disappears and she walks like to the rear of the establishment. But then she circles around. That's when she approaches the counter. And I don't know what verbally went down in there because I was watching from my vehicle.
Right.
And once I seen the pizza being thrown from that side of the counter towards Ricky, I'm like, okay, this is about to get out of hand. But even in the midst of that, it happened so fast.
Is that when you went inside?
The lady walked around the counter. So when I seen her co-workers trying to, you know, stop her, I'm like, I don't know what they're going to do to Ricky because she's in there by herself. Like, I don't know the lady in her relationship with her co-workers. I don't know what goes down. So that's when I got out my vehicle and I walked in and I just grabbed Ricky and, you know, like, try to guide her out of the store.
Okay, what happened to the phone?
I don't know what happened. All I seen was the pizza fly. Okay. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about a phone. Okay. Never heard anything about a phone.
I walked in, it looks damaged, right? It looks like someone smashed it.
I never seen her make a gesture like that. I just seen her throw I wouldn't say even throw, but when she first walked in, she placed the pizza in the chicken box on the counter, and then it was just a verbal thing after that until the pizza thing was thrown.
The store's manager was able to pull up the surveillance video, which police say showed Ricky throwing the pizza and at some point making contact with the store phone. A St. Petersburg police report says Ricky was charged with criminal mischief for the damage. We were unable to find any update on how things played out in court after her arrest. Hey, by the way, what do the body cams we cover on After Hours every week prove? The world is unpredictable, and having a great lawyer makes a huge difference. That's where our amazing partner and longtime sponsor, Morgan & Morgan, comes in, a firm with over 1,000 attorneys and some pretty sweet merch, too. Logan, zoom in on that. Thank you. 1,000 attorneys, and that's because they win a lot. In the past few months, Morgan & Morgan secured a verdict of $29 million in Philadelphia, $2.7 million in Florida, and $5.6 million for a car crash victim in Georgia after insurance offered their client $0 in that case. Even if your case isn't worth millions, why not start a claim, fight for what you deserve? Morgan & Morgan makes it truly so easy. You can start a claim from your phone in just 8 clicks or less. So if you're injured, you can easily start a claim at forthepeople.com/afterhours or click the link in the description and pinned in the comments. Next, we're in the Tropicana Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Saturday night has rolled into Sunday, and things are starting to get a little rowdy. Just before 3 a.m., Tropicana security and Atlanta City police officers start to hear about a fight involving at least 6 people at a pizza place inside the sprawling casino complex. A bystander actually ended up posting video of the fight to Instagram. So I want to introduce you to our main players. The man here in the green jersey is identified as Damian Pinero. The man in the white t-shirt claims Damian started harassing him out of nowhere while he was in line for pizza. In this next screenshot, you can see that the man in the white shirt is in a defensive position. Behind Damian is his girlfriend, Keila Diaz. She's reportedly got the man in the white's wife by the hair. In the third screen grab, you see Keela's daughter allegedly hitting the woman on the ground over to the head with a pizza box. In fact, the pizza ended up flying out of the box and landing up in a heap several feet away. So this is the kind of madness police were coming into, and from the moment responding officers turned on their body cameras, you can hear the roar of a rowdy and potentially unpredictable crowd.
So you talk? You like to talk? Relax. Hold on. I know. We gotta get you guys out of here. We out. All right. So nobody got hit. We good. No. Nobody got hit. We out. Listen. At this point, someone's... Okay. Nobody got hit. You guys want to do cross complaints? No. They want to do. They might want to do charges. Okay. You want to do cross complaints? No charges. At this point, whoever it is, I got hit. Whoever threw a punch. I ain't throw a punch. I got jumped.
You want to go with Eric? You want that up? He's right there.
Someone here hit somebody. I got jumped. I get it. We're going to review the coverage. We're trying to figure out right now. You guys are decent. At the same time, you guys got to stand by now. You hit her like a at this point.
He right there. Just him. How about that?
Which one? Okay, come here. Don't do anything. Come relax.
I'm not starting. Come here, someone.
Which one?
Relax.
You want to push charges against him? Why is he still there?
Hit my daughter. You hit my daughter. He can't do nothing. He hit my daughter. Like, he's just dry. Like, oh, you are stupid. Oh my God, that team is not here. You would have been done. Whack. Yo, remember his face too.
Listen,
I swear.
Do you want to press charges? Yes or no?
No, they're going to press charges. I'm not pressing charges.
Relax.
How about that?
Relax.
You're not about that life. What?
Detail officer 980-1047 requesting additional unit and any other additional unit.
He hit a girl. He hit me up in
Charlie 3B, signal down to the traffic in a quarter. Wait with the detail officer 1047 roof 980 Zamarana.
What's up? Might have to decide. Which one? Everyone has no.
For the coming from Los Angeles,
Good to talk to you, bro. No, you guys aren't leaving it. You gotta take this one, man. I don't give no consent. No. At this point, you're gonna be under arrest if you don't comply. All right? We gotta record. Listen. Go in your pocket. Listen. At this point, just come here. At this point, they told us that you had a knife. Now we're checking. Listen. That's what. Check me. Go ahead. At this point, just cooperate with us.
I was mad because the girl was
It's very back and forth. I'm faking. I was faking. It's very back and forth, man.
I'm on security right now.
That's all it is. No, I'm okay with it.
Spud, you feel real quick?
That's a stab guy. Of course he's gonna attack the dude that's gonna attack us.
All right, there's rights way about going about it. I said if you guys want to
I'm an officer myself.
okay,
I'm an officer myself. I get it. I get it.
I'll show you.
That's all. Just work with us.
Look, I don't gotta lie to y'all. Come on, bro.
Yeah, bro. What am I lying to y'all? So now I gotta deal with my dad. And my dad's retired. Y'all rookies. No, it doesn't matter. We're not rookies here. We're just trying to do everything the right way. I don't got no knife on me, right? Yeah, look, that's the meeting. I ain't spit on you. Yeah, just Come on, you better than that. Yeah, what's your name, man? Hey, listen to me, man. Come on. We're just trying to figure it out so I can get you guys out. We good. I'm good. I don't got no knife on me, right?
I'm an officer myself.
You do me a favor and stand over here?
I'm an officer myself. I get where you're going. Here, I get it. Here you go. My ID's right here. Here's my credentials.
Okay.
I can't believe I was getting pizza. I didn't even know what's going on. He disrespected my daughter. He saw it. I don't know. When I came out, they were fighting.
That's right. Keila is a member of law enforcement herself. She was a corrections officer for Monmouth County. She insists that the man in the white t-shirt punched her daughter and the woman wearing all black in the face. So while some officers speak with Keila and Damien outside, others go back in to get the other man's side of the story.
I'm at the line. I already paid my food. He didn't pay his though. So I'm at the thing. He gonna say, bro, you been talking crazy all night. I said, who? You talking to me, bro? I said, bro, I can say nothing to you. He said, nah, you been talking crazy. I said, you talking about a dude over there. He been talking crazy with the wife because you just yelled at his girls. He had 3 of them. You just yelled at his girls about the line, even though y'all was wrong. I said, bro, but that got nothing to do with me. He was like, all right. So she was like, well, I'm a cop and I'm this and that. I said, bro, nobody care about all that shit. So that's what she said to the girls. So the girls got mad and just walked out of line. So it was over. So I'm about to go get my pizza. He gonna say, bro, you been talking crazy all night. I said, bro, I said nothing to you. So he said, come here and talk to you for a second. I said, all right, the guy in the green. So I go outside like, yo, you got a problem, you got a misunderstanding, whatever it is. I'm in line ahead of you. I'm saying like no. So he gonna pull out a knife.
We're trying to push them out, and then he
the one in the green, it was a little black knife. He pulled out right here. So my wife jumped up like, yo, what's going on? I said, hold on, babe, hold on. I said, bro, what's your problem? He said, nah, you talking crazy all night. What's up with you? What's up with you? I said, bro, what the f***? You drunk or something? I don't even know you, bro. What the f*** you talking about? He like, nah. So his man at first, with the black hoodie, was trying to break it up. I said, bro, your man, hold on. He coming at me for no reason. I got nothing to do with that. He said, let it go, let it go. I said, bro, there's no problem here. It says no problem. Your man bugging. So my wife jumped in front of him, grabbed him from the side, like, yo, chill out. He got a knife. So his girl come out of nowhere and hit my wife. She hit him first. So she hit her. So her right there, she hit her. And then he jumped in like, oh, he grabbed her. So I grabbed the girl. I was like, yo, chill out. Fighting over no reason. It's a misunderstanding what you got going on. I already paid my food, my bro. So he was like, nah, wilding, trying to talk crazy. I said, bro, you got a knife over a piece of. So he swing the knife, and I grabbed the knife from my arm, I hook him, like you put your arm out and I hook him like this. So then I hook him, and he fall back. What's the knife? Huh? What's the knife at? The knife, yeah, he had in this little right here, this little pocket. He put it like this, like boom. What's up? Did he put it back? I don't know. He had it for a while. He probably dropped it.
Can I be detained with my daughter? I'm an officer. Can I go back?
Which one was that?
If you swear to, you can go upstairs and check for the knife is out.
Ain't no knife.
Yeah, I got it.
I got mad witnesses. All you gotta do is act like I got a mad witness.
Miss, can you just do me a favor and stand over here with these officers?
Why they asking him what's going on? Why they don't ask us? If my daughter could be hurt.
We got your side of the story, now we gotta get their side of the story, okay?
This way, I got the neighborhood. Is my daughter down there? That's where they all going. Is it my daughter down there? Can you please see her for my daughter?
Yeah, she's detained upstairs.
She's detained.
Yeah, so just like you're detained, he's detained, she's detained upstairs.
Can I see my daughter? Can I? see my daughter? Can I be detained with my daughter? Can I be detained with my daughter? I'm an officer. Can I be detained upstairs with my daughter? Ain't no knife. Ain't no knife.
I got mad witnesses, boy. I got mad witnesses. I got mad witnesses.
You said? Not yet. Probably one of them.
Please let him know with my daughter. I can just be with my daughter.
I don't want anything. Did the fight happen in here or out there? Did the fight happen in here or out there? Outside?
So I'm hearing you want to press charges?
Yeah, because if you had a problem, you felt like it was with me, so take it with me then.
Yeah.
Why you putting hands on the female? Because she jumped in the middle and find out why you had a knife on me.
Where's the female that...
The one she fell out because he started choking her.
She what?
He started choking her, so she fell out and passed out. He started choking her. She upstairs.
Oh, she's upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay.
She upstairs.
Who is she to you? The one that got choked? Your wife? Okay. Is the EMS, I guess they're with her? Okay. Apparently his wife who was choked is upstairs with EMS right now.
Yeah, there's other video. Okay, that works. But I think the other two left.
Can somebody take us upstairs so we can look at the video?
I know where it is.
Can you still
Yeah.
We'll be back. Just give us a second. All right, we're gonna go look at the video.
I'm gonna get one of them or two of them to 6'2". Can you 6'2" with him? He wants to sign 47s. All right, but Maroof and Zamorano are gonna go up and watch camera coverage. He's the victim that wants to sign 47s. Miss, you gotta stay with us over here. I don't think you're gonna run away. It's just we're trying to like look around. What's going on? Were you doing anything before this?
I just left the jail. I have not.
The one with the black shorts.
When I first got here, all I saw was YouTube.
So they're looking for her right now. All right. I'm gonna make sure that security runs back
I
cameras.
just need my daughter.
How old is she?
That guy right there, she's 23. No, 25.
What was she wearing?
All black. And she was the black.
So
She's the one with the black.
it was like a black top, black shorts?
Yeah.
Okay. And is she light, medium,
Yeah.
dark? What's her skin complexion?
She's my complexion.
Okay.
She looks just like me.
Okay.
Just short brown.
All right.
Good.
Are you guys able to run the cameras back or forward just to see the daughter where she went? No, I know they're going to watch the incident, but the one party that's involved, they're looking for their daughter that was with them at the time of the incident. And now she's like not around. I mean, she's an adult, so it's not like it's a missing child. She's 23, but about her height, same complexion as her. She's wearing black top, black shorts. She was with them at the time of the incident.
There was one that looked like that out here trying to like get in. She was out here with them.
Yeah.
Okay, and where would she go?
She was, I don't know, she's being super irate trying to get in here and then she walked off.
Yeah.
Okay.
She was out there.
She was outside, not inside.
Okay.
In his face.
Okay.
Where's Shayla at? Where's my daughter at?
Miss, so from security, I talked to them already. Apparently, she tried coming inside and from their words, not mine, super irate, trying to come at them, so they didn't let her inside. And she's either out
I
here.
know she's out inside now. They detained her, they said. They
detained her?
Yeah, inside.
Yeah, I guess they don't know what's going on.
And come at him because he's
Okay.
the one that hit her. He punched her so hard. I thought a man came after him. He hit my daughter. Y'all got the camera. He hit my daughter.
guys come outside real quick? Because I don't know anything that's going on. Apparently, she's detained with you guys.
Huh?
The female? Miss, come tell them what you were just saying.
My daughter, she was out here, and then she went inside to come after him because he's the one that hit her.
Okay.
All right, where is she at?
You talking about the one that was banging on the doors, right?
My daughter with the black short.
Yeah, she never came in.
All right, so where's my daughter at? She's not here.
She stayed out here.
We don't have your daughter, man. If that's what you're saying.
Yo.
I didn't hit him.
You're detained. You're not arrested. You're detained right now.
Okay. Relax.
All right.
Hold on.
Yo, he's mad funny. He should get a stand-up show.
Don't let us in. Now you're gonna get in trouble for something. Either way. And that's why we're here. We're gonna take care of it.
Where my daughter at?
Other officers' body cams show us Keela's outburst from the other side of the doors, which was reportedly sparked by the victim trying to find out if one of the cops outside still has his ID.
The officer got it. Hold on. The officer got your ID? Hey, yo. He got his ID. All the officers.
You see what I'm saying?
All right, just stay away from the door.
Yeah, but come on, that's uncalled for. I didn't touch you. You're a female, I didn't touch you. I ain't touch you. I ain't press charge, none of that. I ain't touch you. You're a female. I hooked on your man. I ain't hooked on you. You a sucker. So, you pressing charges? Yeah. Okay. There's other on my wife for no reason. She had nothing to do with nothing. You just mad. Over some other okay. She pulled a knife out, that's what my wife up. Because we went outside. He called me outside. I said, yo, what's the problem with you? And why you so hostile? Like, yo, you talking shit. I said, bro, I don't even know what you're talking about. He's like, nah, you cut the line. I said, bro, I already paid already. The manager know me. I come in every weekend, bro. You know me like my name. He's like, nah, come outside. So I said, all right, whatever. Go outside, talk about it. So I step outside. As soon as I step aside, you check the cameras. As soon as I step outside, he already out there. He pulled his knife, wow. So my wife said, yo, listen, she jump out of the seat, she's right here. She jump out, she go right here. Man, between him, her, and me. I'm like, chill, pulling away, like, nah, yo, what's the problem? She walking towards me. Like, yo, what's the problem? You pull a knife out on a what? On a piece of? What are you mad about? We were just laughing in the store. Like, what are you mad about? He's like, nah, I was talking crazy all day. My wife was like, yo, what is your problem? So she keep walking this way, separate me and him. So when they went this way, his girl came over and hit him first. When she hit her first, that's when he ran over and started hitting her. And I'm like, bro, if it's a problem, this is between me and you. Why you put your hands on the female? I could have easily not jumped on the and let her go already. But I didn't. All I did was pull her away. Like, chill out, you don't know what's going on. And I get it, she reacted off of her man. But you don't know what's going on. So you went over and grabbed my wife by her throat and choking her. But she's trying to break it up. Black hoodie, he grabbed me. He started like this. He got a phone. He got to chill out, bro, chill out. Everything good. I said, bro, your man keep trying to hit my girl. Like, what's the problem? We get those settlement real quick. What are you talking about? He's like, I don't know. So his girl, her, and then another guy, type wrestler, young chick, hit my brother again. So then I grabbed him. He got a knife still in his hand. Now he coming from my girl. So then I run up to him like, yo, who's bothering? Like, what's bothering? What's up? Like, you got a problem? We just do it right now. So he come in, and his girl trying to like hook me from the side. So I ducked this way. And she fell, like she slid, like she was going fast. She slid like this. So he was like this. So when I caught his arm on my head, and hooked him, put him in the banister, put him down. So then hooked him. His man came with So then I grabbed his man, hooked him, boom. When his man talked, and he put his knife, still his knife. box, I'm grabbing the off of me. So when I came over, that's more screen game on the ground and shit like that, and she passed out. And I'm like, get in the game, it's a fight. If you feel some type of way, what you gotta do with a girl? What you gotta do with a woman? If you feel whatever way you feel, come see me, bro. Like, why can't you grab a woman that didn't do with nothing? She jumped in the way because you grabbed her like a little like, it ain't that serious, bro. And I said, yo, what's up? And he kept backing up. The whole time we see him, go watch the video, he got the knife, but he backing up. The whole time the knife. Scared as hell. Like, come on, bro, it's okay, man, what we doing? You got the knife, what we doing? Then you go at the girl with some listen, lock me up right now. I'm trying to go downtown with them. That's what I'm trying to do. Lock me up right now. I'm trying to go downtown. Book us all together. Send us to the county and let's get in to get that work.
So you don't know him at all?
I know him from Adam. We were just laughing in the store. This girl came in the hospital. I guess she's drunk. She yelled at some because they was in line first. They came behind me. But I kept leaving because I already paid already. So I got up. I bought a Corona. I opened the Corona store. I said, Bobby, I got it. He said, yo, go ahead. Because he know I come every weekend. So he was like, go ahead. So I'm just inside. Ain't bothering nobody. His girl come to the hospital. That niggas kept lying, I'm a cop. So they say, okay, and they walk out. That's the man who said, okay, they walk out. They don't do crime, they walk out. I'm still lying. I ain't bothering nobody. I ain't cutting the line. So I walk up. She said, yo, Poppy said, I said, yeah, I got that. Boom, boom. I'm done. I go to the window. I said, yo, with my food, just like that. He said, yo, give me the I said, all right. This man come over. Yo, you talking today. What are you talking about? All day. We see you. You got a green jersey. What talking about? If we had a problem, I'd dealt with you then. You see how she was right here? She ran right up, trying to hit the same. I get it. You trying to protect your man, but your man was a sucker. And just a he punched her in the face, right here in the forehead, because she jumped in between to find out what was the problem.
We saw the video. Yeah, we saw the video.
And then his girl jumped in and hit her after that because she was trying to figure out why you got a problem with me. I got nothing to do with you. It wasn't that serious. Yeah. And then when you pulled the knife out, like, you asked for it. You told me you gonna stab me and kill me over pizza. Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna go check her out the house.
Listen, I'm just trying to get locked up with him. We can go downtown, we can go to the county, however y'all feel.
You don't have to get arrested.
No, you're not gonna arrested, bro. I know you're upset, bro. I get you, but we're gonna do it this way, man. We saw the video, we saw that you and your lady were the victim. We saw that, it's clear as day, dude. So we're gonna do everything in our power, by the law, in order to help you out, right?
Did you get the information from her or not?
No, I just gotta
Yeah. You also gotta get it back to you.
I get it. I understand. Yeah. I mean, it's Atlantic City. I'm not from out here. I get how y'all do it. But if you was from my hood, it'd be when you guys come. It should have been over already.
I got you, man.
I'm from Asbury.
That's just ridiculous. It's one thing to punch, it's one thing to whip out a knife, man. Come on, bro.
But you pull the knife out.
We see the video, and it's like, it's clear as day, it's like this, bro.
Yeah, like, if you want to fight, say you want to fight, then don't break out a knife.
Yeah.
And then you hit a female because she's trying to figure out what's wrong. Like, come on, man, some suck. I'm not press charging her for upstairs because I get it.
Who's that?
Your girlfriend, the one with the sweater. I press charge as in like it was over and you still kept going. Yeah. And then you ran, trying to hit me in my face for what reason? It was already over. Cops is here, everybody trying to stuff it, but you still keep going.
Anything yet
like,
from your chest?
If I was like, I could have ran out there and hit you then. Like, it wasn't that serious.
Okay.
So obviously you didn't learn your lesson or you don't give so if you don't then you gotta deal with it because it's not what we're doing. It don't make no sense.
Back outside, Keela's daughter has split, apparently without telling her mom she was taking off. Now confused and handcuffed, she offers up her own version of events.
Once she saw him, she went after him because he's the one that punched her upstairs. As soon as he saw her, he punched her right in her face, knocked her out. That's not to put her. Either way, before that all happened, what happened was he disrespected her in front of her stepfather and was like, because of her outfit. Okay, you can have a cute outfit. I mean, you gotta disrespect the girl because of what she wants. She got her man. Like, you don't disrespect because she got a cute body. Come respect, and you're gonna see a father that, yeah, absolutely, he's gonna go
Yo entiendo todo lo que usted está
Y
diciendo.
cuando yo estaba, when I was inside, I was in for my pizza. I didn't even know what was going on outside. So when I got my pizza, you see me come out. When you see the camera,
Los dos oficiales que estaban ahí, ellos están viendo la video ahora mismo, ¿ok? So, eso es lo que ellos están haciendo, pero su hija no está allá arriba, yo creo que su hija se va para otro lado. Yo estoy esperando que vengan los dos oficiales ahí abajo. Y después usted puede llamar a su hija, ¿ok?
Yo, is it 47?
That's what he's saying right now.
No.
He's trying to say that.
What? No, I'm saying, so what just happened?
He's saying,
Oh, then just do it. Fuck. Release it.
is he gonna press charges on me? Like the
It's just a
guy?
ticket. You're not going down or anything.
But do I have to call my grab? I don't know what to do. Like, I've never been in trouble in my life.
So if it's a simple assault, do you think it's gonna be a ticket?
Especially since you didn't hit him, it's probably gonna get dropped. But
I wish I did hit him.
It's literally a ticket. You have a court date on it. Just show up for the court date.
it'll probably be virtual hearing too. So
Yeah.
I was like, what the you know what?
Signal 56 with the victim from the altercation at Camacho.
she already down there. Is she? Didn't your daughter leave already with the ambulance?
My daughter's sad. No, that girl, the other girl, yeah.
Who was that girl?
The one that got beat up. His girl. That's why they fight trash. Yes.
Meantime, Damien, also detained, asks if he can sit in the patrol car while the officers do their investigation. But soon enough, after checking out surveillance video, the cops will have bad news for the couple.
Thank you, I appreciate it, man. I got too much to lose, man. I go to jail for a little fight, that ain't nothing. Everybody gotta go to court, that's civil. He did this, he did that, the video come out, everybody fought each other, and there it goes. That's it, it ain't that serious. I ain't got no knife, you already searched me with a knife. That means your lawyer smoke and they see you walking like that. What happened, bro? You can speak to me, bro. I ain't worried about it.
I'm going to.
Yeah, I respect
I'll let you know you are under arrest.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna transfer you down to our holding facility.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not worried about it. Yeah.
I got you. So.
Well, for what though? What is it for?
As far as I know right now, it's gonna be terroristic threats.
Terroristic.
I believe simple assault.
Simple assault? Ow! What the charging on me there? So I might have it.
So listen, I got you. So we're gonna go down there and fill out a sheet.
I'll be released, right?
Yeah,
I know my record.
Listen, so if you don't have, like, you don't have.
Oh, no.
So if you don't have any, so if you don't,
I'm not worried.
So if you don't have any active warrants or any kind of crazy, like.
No, I'm not worried about that. I respect you, bro.
So then it'll most likely be a summons. Once he gets on the charges, it takes about an hour or two, maybe 2 hours.
You try to make that quick as possible.
I'm not gonna be the one doing the charge. I'm just transporting you down.
He was doing this pretty fast.
Yeah.
It'll probably just be like an
especially if he
hour.
does the charge, he'll do the charges right away. So
what's my charges then?
Like I said, as far as I know right now, terroristic threats, simple assault.
Terroristic threat? How could you prove terroristic threat?
So listen.
I'm not the investigator.
No, I'm just asking. How could you prove that?
I'm just relaying the information that he gave to me.
I ain't got a bomb on me, bro.
All right, bro. So,
no, I get it.
You got all extra gloves?
What you need me to do?
I'm just gonna search one more time before I transfer you down.
I got you, bro. I just got my wallet here. I don't got nothing here, but just my wallet here. I ain't dirty, bro. You don't need no blood. I ain't gonna poke you or nothing, man. I ain't got nothing. It's in my wallet there.
This right here's your wallet?
Yeah, it's my wallet. Right, my phone.
Girl, you wanna do me a favor? If you go into my duty bag, I got evidence bags in there.
There's nothing else on me.
I got you. I just want to keep all your property.
No, yeah, ain't nothing else on me. You can
It's
search
in
me.
the. Never mind, you're good.
You can search me, bro. I ain't got nothing else on me.
Turn around for me, bro. I I was making sure.
You just search because people say.
Yeah, but remember, the difference about people, I got too much to lose and I ain't no felon, bro.
I got you.
That's the difference. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Yep.
Don't leave me here if you leave me.
What's that?
Don't leave
no, I'm
me
gonna
here
chase
like
me down
with
right
the
now.
car.
We're on 2 minutes away.
All right, thank you.
I got you, man. I'll put the window down for you too.
Thank you.
The lady that you were stomping her head. She ended up losing consciousness. So unfortunately, we are going to take you in. Okay. Are you a correctional officer? You know how that goes? You know what's going on from here? I'm going to have to make notification. So it sucks. You know what I mean? It's one thing to get into a rumble, but if the lady lost consciousness and all
They hit my door?
Right, but she lost consciousness. She was on the ground, and then she ended up going to the hospital, and then she ended up she lost consciousness. You know how that goes, you know, so we're going to end up placing you in custody again, all right? You're going to end up charged. Turn around for me. Yeah, take that off.
¿Se quiere quitar el reloj? Para que no
Too tight? All right, let me know if it is. Yep. And there's a video of it too. Just letting you know, all right? Not trying to do any threats. Just letting you know, all right? Too tight? Whose car? Who's got a car available?
Rachel.
Someone take it?
You want me to take it? The car's right there, though.
Okay. It's on the other side? Do we have any female officers?
Yeah.
There's one? Yeah.
Can you send a female officer?
Yeah, I'm gonna go around, so I'll get that. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, I'll put this in your trunk.
Claro, usted no tiene nada ahí.
No, I'm good.
I'm gonna be patting you down, alright? Alright. Alright, so.
There's no female.
Nope, there's no.
So, you can go.
Alright, so you can look at my hands, alright?
I got you.
You have anything in your pockets that are poking or sticking?
You can take them all out.
Okay. Check your back pockets, okay? Good. Have a seat.
According to a police report, Atlantic City officers later found a knife under a car, and witness told them that they'd seen Damien throw it there in all the commotion. Damien and Keela were both taken to jail. Damien was charged with aggravated assault, unlawful possession of a weapon, terroristic threats, and possession of a weapon for unlawful purposes. Keela was charged with aggravated assault and was placed on leave without pay from the Department of Corrections. They both avoided jail time by entering into a pretrial intervention program. It's unclear if Keela got her job back. Our next video comes from Pennsylvania, and it was actually recorded by an employee at Amy's Family Pizzeria in 2023. A woman named Rita Bello is ranting and raving because a soccer game on the restaurant's TV is broadcasting in Spanish.
You're in America, you're supposed to learn English. You got Spanish? Well then, you got Spanish on your TV. That's a to Americans, dude. My father was a World War II veteran, okay? His friends and family died. So you can see
And you're still, give me a credit. I don't want your food. I want a credit for my money right now. And believe me, I will check it. Okay, I'm a certificate. You probably even know what that means, do you? And she's videotaping me.
Yeah, because you're racist. You're racist. Yes, you are.
You're a victim.
You're racist.
You're a victim.
I'm not a victim.
You're a victim.
I'm not.
No, I'm an American.
No, you're a racist. You're a racist.
You're a victim.
You're a
You're
racist.
the racist.
No,
You're
I'm not racist. I'm not over here trying to get my money back because you're shopping at a pizza shop.
I'm just asking
no one cares.
You're the racist. I can do this with my phone too. I can do the same thing.
Show everybody that you're racist.
You're the racist. I'm going to film you right now. And I got 4,000 followers.
This is our first Karen. Oh my God.
Nah, I've been here. I've been in Hapro over 100 years.
So you're going to share with everybody that you're racist?
No.
Yeah.
You're racist, honey. You're racist. Very racist. I won't.
Why don't you keep saying what you were just saying, though? Why don't you just keep videotaping what you were just saying to everyone?
I would like a refund because I'm at Amy's and I am being bullied by these
bullied.
Yeah, I'm being bullied by these people at Amy's.
I have everything on video.
Because I am white, they are videotaping me.
I'm white too.
They are videotaping me because I am white. See them? They're calling me a racist because I am white.
No. We're calling you a racist because you're racist.
I am not Mrs. Blue Hair. I am not racist. I am not racist.
You know your colors?
I am at Amy's in Hatboro, and I am being videotaped because I am white, and they want to call me racist. I am simply asking for a refund because their food is terrible.
You said that you want a refund because you played Spanish on a TV.
I want a refund on my credit card. I want a refund on my credit card, so therefore I am racist. I'm at Amy's in Hatboro, Pennsylvania. I want a refund on my credit card, and they are calling me racist because I am white, and none of them are white. And she started videotaping me. I asked you, why aren't you giving me a refund on my credit card? Why won't you do it? I asked you 15 minutes ago to give me a credit on my credit card. Why aren't you doing it? Why aren't you giving me a credit on my credit card? Why? I don't want your food. I don't want your food. Why won't you give me your credit on my credit card? You're calling me racist because I am white. Why? I'm waiting. I got my card right here. All right, please hear now. Right here. Right here.
What's going on, man?
Hi. I know you. Okay. I'm asking.
Rita wasn't arrested, so no mugshots available, but when officers saw the video and heard her comments, they sent a court summons for ethnic intimidation and harassment. That was eventually replaced with harassment, course of conduct with no legitimate purpose. She pled guilty and got 90 days of probation plus 8 hours of community service and had to write an apology to the restaurant staff. Now we're heading to Illinois, where 3 women allegedly faced off against a convenience store clerk over a hot and ready pizza. It all started with a call to 911.
911.
Hi, can I get a piece of, police to the ghetto gas unit?
What's going on?
Because they don't want to give me my money back for this pizza, and I don't want it.
What's your name?
My name Coco.
Coco, what's your last name?
Milk.
Okay, I'll get somebody out there.
All right, thank you.
An officer arrives and tries to defuse the escalating situation, even offering to pay the extra $1 the trio still owes for their pizza, but it's not long before chaos ensues.
Hello?
Yeah, they charging me for a pizza. Now he's telling me I owe him $1. I don't even want the pizza. He left. Him and his wife just left. Some black girl in there. And they didn't give me my $12 back, so I want my money back. I don't want the pizza. I don't even I don't care.
And you already know I don't even play with people. So now she gotta wait till somebody to refund from Goldie. I'm not getting my
Okay, so
I want my money. I'm not
did you
from down
order
here.
a pizza?
I ordered a pizza. About 30, 40 minutes ago. They didn't tell me that it was $1 fee. They should have told me that. She told me to come back. I told them I was going to send my stepdaddy up here to get the pizza. She gets on the phone telling me about $1. I said, what's $1 for? I already paid for the pizza. Go to receipt right here. I got some other the kids and already. That was 40 minutes ago. I don't even want the pizza. I don't trust the pizza.
Remind you.
Can I get my $12? They love.
She dealt with Goldie. She dealt with a mom. But what I told, okay, when you buy a frozen pizza on Link, it's $1 fee to cook it. That's her problem that she didn't tell her.
Okay.
And like when I got here, when she told me what happened, I said, well, just get them the pizza, and that's fine. We can pay for $1. They left. I can't deal with that.
So
but when I told her it's not my fault, it's a mom fault for not explaining when you buy
I'm not from down here, sir. I don't know what's going on. My mama don't want the pizza. I was buying it for them. Now I don't want it. I want my $12 back. I don't want the pizza.
Okay.
I'm leaving in a couple hours.
Here's the deal. As you engaged in a transaction that made something that expires or goes bad. So they made this pizza for you.
I don't want it. I don't trust it.
I know, but you can't return something that is made.
You eat. I want my
I don't want to eat it. I
don't want it either.
You already made this.
Well, they should have stayed here when the police came. Said police came. I need my money. I don't want the pizza. I don't even trust it.
You don't trust the pizza?
No, I don't.
You know what?
I don't want that damn pizza.
Since you don't want that damn pizza.
Do you want it? It's already paid for.
I want my $12.
It's not paid for. She still got to pay $1 for it.
I'll pay the $1.
Okay, I told them I would have paid the damn $1.
It ain't about the $1, baby. I got plenty of money.
It's not even about
It's
you.
not about the $1.
My boss.
I got plenty of money, baby. Plenty of money in here. It's not about the $1. It's not about the $1.
Yeah, this isn't.
It's not about the $1.
This is not her fault.
Okay, but call Goldie and them back up here, because I don't want the pizza.
I'm the manager. They ain't coming back. They got to go to the doctor. They ain't coming back. That's why I'm here.
Well, give me my $12 back, because I don't want the pizza.
It's already paid for. It's already made.
I don't want it.
That's fine. Stay in the kitchen. I'll throw it away later.
Then you don't see customer was right.
I'm sorry, what?
Customer is right.
What y'all gonna do about the pizza? Because I don't want it. And can I get
well,
my
I mean, that's you don't have to come down here and buy anything from them. You know what I mean? That's the.
See, I'm now speaking about me.
Yeah.
You come to this store every day.
Wait.
You come here every day.
Wait. She asked me to go pick up. That's it. I don't know if it's $1 fee or what. That's why.
Okay.
I don't know about that one there.
Do you have your ID, man?
I'm not giving you my ID.
Call the police. She called the police.
I called the police because he was gonna call the police on me. I said I called him on myself.
Damn it, when you buy a pizza, what you gotta pay? You gotta pay $1.
They didn't tell me that.
I wasn't here. Amon was here. Amon didn't tell her.
They didn't tell me that.
So when he came to pizza,
I don't even trust the pizza.
So where we're at here.
Is y'all gonna give me my $12?
I'm not giving you anything.
Could they give me my $12 back? I don't want.
I don't believe that they can because the pizza was made.
That don't make no sense.
So do you want your pizza?
I don't want the pizza.
Why would you want the pizza if they like?
Okay. So you can file a civil suit against them for $12.
$12?
I'm saying that's it. It's a civil situation.
Well, call back up here, or whoever his name is. I'm not from down here. I don't know what's going on.
Where's your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, so why can't you make them give her $12 back? They lied.
Because this is a civil interaction, is what it is. It's not a theft.
It's not a civil.
Their pizza. They said that she could have the pizza.
No, she can't have the pizza. It gotta be. Either you better get $12 to my sister, or it's gonna be that.
You charge somebody a certain price. You tell me that the pizza is $11.99, $12. You don't tell me about it, don't charge the fee. I tell you, it's going to be ready in 20 minutes. Come back in 20 minutes. You owe me $1.
So him trying to get over.
You going to pay the extra. Somebody told you they owe you extra $1.
This is all over $1.
Are you
It's not about the $1. I give me a chance. Are you going to pay the extra $1? Because they should never lie.
What?
It's not even about $1.
It don't even matter.
It don't matter about the $1. I want my $12 back. That's what I want.
Do you want them to leave?
Yes, please and thank you.
So if they want their pizza?
That's the lie. It's the lie. It's the principle. I want my $12 back. I don't want the pizza.
Okay.
It's the principle of the situation.
Here's
that's
the deal.
all I get. Ain't no
You can
deal.
have your pizza.
I don't want the pizza.
Then you need to leave.
You need to give me my $12.
I'm not giving you anything. You need to leave or you'll be under arrest for trespassing.
Ain't nobody trespassing anything.
I know. You are now being told to leave. You're now being trespassed.
I swear to God, let this tell it. Yo,
Give me
Hey!
Walk out.
Hey!
Touch me.
You're under arrest.
Don't touch me.
Under arrest. Get back. Get back. Everybody. Police officer. Stop. Walk to the police. Turn around. Get my car. Right now.
Let her go.
Let go. You're going to get charged with obstructing. You are under arrest also.
Let her go. No, I'm not.
Everybody's under arrest.
Go, bro.
Walk to the car. Walk to the car. Walk to the car. Do you want to go to the ground?
They trying to take you to jail, bro.
Get back. Back up.
Let my sister go.
Back it up right now.
Let my sister go.
Stop right now.
Okay, bro.
Stop moving. Right now. You are under arrest now too.
Oh my God, bro.
We need more.
Oh my God, bro.
Right now.
No,
Stand up.
Bro, let me stand up, please.
Okay, you're sitting in my car.
I'm getting very irritated. Bro.
Stand up. You're getting in my car. Turn around.
You got my phone?
Passenger side of my car.
Oh my God, bro, this shit for real. Like, bro, this
Yes, you hit me in the face.
because you got my sister, bro.
If she would obey, she'd be walking out the police department in 15 minutes. Now you're going to jail.
You put your hands on me. You did. And I didn't even do it.
You ready to stand
You're
up?
not even supposed to be touching me. You're not even supposed to be touching me. You a whole dude. You a
To your side.
I'm getting them. I ain't resisting anything. You wasn't even supposed to touch me.
Thank you. Yep, that's true.
You wasn't even supposed to touch me. You a whole woman. You pushed me.
You did.
And I already got back up. Promise.
Stand up. Let's go. Get up on your knees.
Let me stand up.
All right,
I'm going.
stand up.
Y'all touching on me. Y'all need to take these handcuffs out.
Walk to that car. Nope.
Call my
Walk
lawyer.
to that car.
Call my lawyer.
Okay, you can call your lawyer. Go.
Call my lawyer. Make sure they know. I'm in the middle of a injury lawsuit.
Yeah?
And he pushed me. So I did put my hands on him.
Q-7, anybody else can slow down?
According to police, as the officer was walking the woman out of the store, Nikita Simpson pulled down a merchandise display. When officers tried to arrest her, her sister, Kiana Simpson, and the third woman, Diamond Lockhart, loudly objected. As Nikita is loaded into the patrol car, her sister, Kiana, the only one of the three not in handcuffs, has been recording with her phone, but it wouldn't be long before she, too, was in the back of a cruiser.
What's your name? Get all their names. What's all their names?
Sit down now. Have a seat. Sit down, please.
Shut the fuck up.
Sit down in the car.
Why y'all want to lady?
Sit down in the car. Sit down in the car.
I am in the car. I am in the car. His name is Kingdom.
Sit down. You're gonna get
His name is Briar. His name is
Your name
Garney.
will be on your.
Kingdom Briar.
Step back. You can record just back there, okay?
Get him. Get him. He pushed me.
Get in the car. His name is Gearhart. We have all of your
Get him.
in the car. Get in the car.
Get him. He the one that pushed me.
Don't touch me.
Just step back. You can record. You can record. Just step back.
Don't touch me.
You can record. Just step back there.
Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you. I'm not gonna touch you. Just step back.
Don't touch me.
Really? She going to? Criminal damage, see if she can damage anything?
Excuse me.
Was anything damaged?
Oh, she just knocked out. I'm gonna pick it up.
Do you want her charged with criminal damage?
Yes.
All right.
All three of them.
Yep. 95. Here's your shoe. You're under arrest as well. Yes, you are. We're telling you right now you are.
Don't
for criminal damage to property.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Do not. Take your finger
right now. Take your
hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind
You
your back.
stepping on my glass.
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I have my glass?
Yes, ma'am. We'll
I
get your
can't
glass.
see without my glass.
We'll get your glass. Second pair. Third. That's all I got right now.
Try to record this.
Bear with me. Put your hand back.
I'm in the middle.
11, 7, and 12 status.
10-4, we're at 395. Yeah.
I'm gonna hush that.
It's all right. Can you meet us at the police department?
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
No, I cannot. My side hurt. I'm in the middle of the lawsuit. I just got out of an accident.
Okay.
I'm suing the out of y'all.
We're gonna help you get up, okay?
Don't touch me. I do it myself. Don't touch me.
Go ahead and get up there.
I don't want you to touch me.
Get up.
Don't touch me.
Can you get up? No. What's that?
Come on, do it. Can I talk to her?
You talk to her at the police department, okay?
Trying to find out what...
She hit me very, very hard in the side of the head.
She did?
Yes.
Damn it, come on, bro. You better get an aggravated battery police. That's a felony, gang. Y'all out here tweaking, bro. That's a felony. I just got off
I
that
don't
shit.
police cuff.
Damn, stop trying to play.
Did she get up? You can meet us at the police department, Tristan.
Alright, we're gonna get you up to your feet, okay?
I don't want y'all to touch me. Don't touch me.
We're gonna have to help
you. Gotta get
Please
up.
don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Get up.
Don't touch me. I'm gonna be here for all day. Don't touch me.
Well,
Okay, we can.
Get up.
Don't touch me. Send me a woman cop. Don't touch me.
All right, let's pick her up.
Do not touch me.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Don't touch
Stand
me.
up. Stand up.
Take your legs out.
Don't touch me.
Stand up.
Don't touch me. Let me go.
Stop pulling. You're getting more charges.
Let me go. I don't want you touching me. Don't let me go.
Doesn't matter.
Let me go.
You get what you get.
Let me go. Don't touch me.
Can you
Let
open
me
your
go.
car?
And where's my glasses?
I think that older man had them.
I got them right here.
Put them on my face so I can see.
I'll put them up in the front.
Don't touch. Could you let me go, sir? Let me go.
Nope. It's in the car. Oh, you don't have a cage? Nope. Kind of have a cage?
I don't.
Do you want to use a different car?
Yeah.
He doesn't have a cage. Can we put him in one of your cars? Put her.
We'll put them in your car. Is that cool?
I'm not.
Here.
I don't know. Yeah.
That's fine. You'll be all
I'm
right.
on for training. So
Bring her out.
I just don't think she'll fit.
Where's my glasses?
As Kiana and Diamond cool their jets, car cameras capture them bemoaning their situation.
He put his hands on me. He pushed me to the ground numerous of times. Supervisor standing right there. Don't touch me.
Bro, he just choked me and some bro. Like, what the f***? Like, come on now, bro. Then he just slammed me on the ground, gang. And he hurt my neck, bro. What the f***? Like, bro, this shit is stupid and retarded, bro. What the f***? Like, bro, what the f***? I don't understand this. He just his hands on me, then he choked me, bro. What the f***, man? Then you just slammed me on the ground, bro. What the f***? You trying to put your neck in my knee? Like, what the f***, man? Like, this stupid, bro. He should have just told my sister, okay, you know you gotta pay $1 fee. He didn't even say all that, bro.
All three women were taken to the nearby police station where they were separated.
Step out and follow me. Said he's your dad? He's your stepdad? Okay. I know Tristan. Tristan's a good guy. All right, so I don't have to put you in a cell because you've calmed down for me. I'm just going to have you sit right here. Okay, do you have anything in your pockets I need to know about?
No, I have my mom's new card. That's it right here.
Okay, can I check this pocket? Just some gloves or socks or something in the other pocket? And then this is just a card?
Yep, my mom's new card.
Okay, just sit here, okay? Step out, please.
No, I'm not getting out the car until another cop is here.
Perfect. Hey, other cop.
Step out of the car, please.
Could you get another cop, please?
Another cop? How many cops you need? There's another one, too. We got 3 now. 4? Is 4 enough?
Yep.
All right, step on out then. We got 4 of them here.
There's no 4 people here.
3, 4.
I don't see the other person.
Okay.
Could you?
No, it's about to be 5. Come on, I'm asking you nicely. Let's stop playing
Okay,
games.
and I'm telling you nicely too, sir. You wouldn't even have to touch me from the beginning.
Yeah, well, I guess you didn't have to hit me either, so step up this way. Step this way, please. All the way up. Step right up that way.
Interview room.
You can step right up that way.
Real quick. There's one out.
Yeah, she's still not wanting to cooperate, so.
It's okay.
I have to do what?
I would ask you to step up here, please. Right where that door just opened. Thank you.
Go where?
Right up there, where close to where that officer's
Yeah,
standing,
just
right?
come up to me.
Open the door for me.
I'll take your handcuffs off. Are we gonna be cool?
I don't feel comfortable with you taking my handcuffs off. Could you let one of the other people do it, please?
Oh, you want other people to
Me? Okay.
Yes, I don't feel comfortable with
You want me to take them off?
Kingdom, nor
Here,
your heart.
Here, take them off. Is that okay?
Okay, yes, that's fine.
And I'm not real comfortable with you guys right now either because I got punched in the head. So
I got kicked.
Yeah, and I got pushed to the ground.
after
and
hitting
so I
officers,
got
but
pushed
we're not gonna
before.
argue about it. It's okay.
I have pushed before, and that's what happened.
Okay. Have a seat in there.
We'll get you in here, get the EMTs over, we'll get those handcuffs off you. We'll figure
And
this
I need
out.
my glasses. I can't see.
Yeah, I got your glasses right here.
Y'all broke my damn glasses.
Yeah, they're broken, that's for sure. The your piece looks like they're broken. We're gonna go this way. Right this way.
I need my glasses, sir.
Yeah, ma'am, I'll get them for you.
I need to get them fixed. Walmart can fix them.
It looks like just a piece.
Right, y'all broke.
1310 more.
Where's them?
All right, we can get these handcuffs off you. I'll get your glasses for you.
Y'all done scratched my face up. Look at my face.
That's what.
Right here.
Right there. All right, we'll get the EMTs over to look at you, okay? Anything else on you?
What's on this?
Here, like your bracelets, you can put those up here on the counter for me.
For what?
Just because all your jewelry and stuff can go right up here. I'm gonna have you sit here real quick while I get your glasses and everything figured out. Get the EMTs over here to look at you.
All 3 were charged with felony aggravated battery on a police officer, obstructing a police officer, and resisting a police officer. Nikita was also charged with criminal damage to property, all because their pizza cost $1 more than they were expecting. All 3 are expected back in court in March 2026. Next, let's go to Glenview, Illinois. A delivery driver for a Jets Pizza location called police and told them he'd allegedly been robbed. He said he'd gone to deliver food to a man named John Neary, but when he got there, John allegedly got upset about an item missing from the order. According to police, John pulled the delivery man into his apartment, blocked him from leaving, and took $20 of cash from him while holding a kitchen knife. The employee managed to get away and called police when he got back to the store. Police headed for John's apartment. When he refused to speak with officers, they took him into custody. At the jail, he still wasn't super cooperative.
Officer Mahoney, Glenview Police, okay? Who? Officer Mahoney, I work at Glenview Police, okay? You can read your rights, you understand your rights, and then if you want to... I'm not going to answer anything. Okay, I'm just going to read your rights then? Okay. You don't want to talk to me?
I'm not going to talk to you until I get a lawyer.
Okay.
Until the lawyer's providing for me to... If you want to read me my Miranda rights, I guess that's it. But I'm not going to answer anything either, so... Not at all. Has the lawyer been called? Officer Murray? Has he called the lawyer?
I'll ask him, but he's not going to ask right. You're all good. All right, have a good one.
Just make sure you don't go back to
Don't go to Jets Pizza. You're trespassed, okay? If you go back, you'll be arrested, okay?
I've never been there. I never will.
Okay, you can't order, can't call, can't do anything, okay?
Thanks, though.
All right.
But can you maybe the little stupid lawyer for something? What do I charge you?
The officer explained to John that he was going to be cited for his alleged conduct and let him use the phone. John also uses the opportunity outside the holding cell to chat with officers.
All right.
We're issuing 2 citations for the Glenview case. All right, two counts of disorderly conduct, breach of peace. Okay.
Yeah.
The due date for the pay, it's two $100 fines, so $200 total.
Yeah.
September 3rd is when you have to pay them by. If you want to contest it, you can go into the station or request a court date for it. Okay.
Can you explain those charges just a tiny bit?
It's disorderly conduct, breach of peace. So when you threaten them, or when you allegedly threaten them on the phone,
allegedly, please.
you know, they were disturbed, alarmed and disturbed. Okay, so they, in lieu of an arrest, they wanted me to issue citations.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
so they didn't want me to physically arrest you. They just wanted citations and be done with it.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So if you want to contest it, you're more than welcome to. That's your right. You can do that at the station and get a court date for them.
What
Okay?
about this unlawful restraint?
It's all with displays. You'll hear from them later. Okay. This is just Glenview, 2 tickets.
Yeah.
It's gonna go with your property here. So whenever they're done with you, they'll be in your property.
Cool.
Okay.
That sounds good.
All right. Any questions for me?
Yeah. None.
Nothing?
I understand it was disorderly conduct. What was the last one called again?
Disorderly conduct, breach of peace.
Breach of peace. Okay. How does that get entailed? What does that say? How does it entail?
Alarmed and disturbed. The victims were alarmed and
is that what
disturbed
you're
by your
saying?
phone call and your
Breach of
threats.
peace. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I can imagine that would be disturbing too. You know, they could have told me up front that they don't make beef, but the girls just listening to me, and then it came and there's no beef. So that's like almost like a theft of service. That's what I would think of that, like some kind of, you know, like something, man. I don't know. Why wouldn't she just explain to me on the telephone?
John, do you need a phone number out of your phone?
Oh, you would like to say something? Moment, please. Could you help me dial? I'm not able to see well. Can you dial this one of these coppers, peaches?
So I'm gonna give this to the officers, and they're gonna put in your property. Okay.
You need a number out here?
No, Thank you again, guys.
You're welcome.
Tell them I appreciate not asking me to get all messed up and shit. I really do.
I got you.
You know what's hilarious about this rank 6 foot born little black kid, like what the unlawful restraint? Like what was my method? What did I use to restrain him? Handgun, knife, hypnosis. The kid was in my door. My door was open. The kid kept yakking. My mom and Morton Grove and I, we have no money. She's like, how do I know all that? What the small talk during restraining up or all in restraint? So, hi, this is John Neary. Let me make one more call, okay? Is it okay?
Sure, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can you understand it? Can you help me understand that? Look at my stack. 6'1", the kid. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I wasn't there.
I know. The idiot upstairs, who I got a case against right now, who's a paid that kid some money, and the kid called. Falsifying a police report like that nature has gotta be illegal, man. It's very illegal. Yeah, well, it's all kind of stuff. I'm trying to think of one moment. Hang on a second, because a little bit of difficulty for a second here. Yeah, so like, is there a chance that I could be gone on my own cognizance in this situation?
You know, I'm not in the position.
I knew that was it. I don't know.
I'm just saying, I know. Making the phone calls, you know?
I know.
Is there anyone you need to call?
Yeah, I'm trying to think, but most people are asleep right now. Well, that kid wouldn't leave my house. I mean,
John, how about this? If you want to sleep on the phone calls, I will be more than happy to come back to make some more. Okay?
Yeah, I would like that. I think I have to, because I have to call that attorney and
All right, well, let's go.
My other brother, that's not sitting up here. No, I would like. Thank you guys for.
John was later indicted on 1 felony count of aggravated unlawful restraint and 1 felony count of armed robbery. An update on his court case was not available. In our final segment today, a Florida pizza delivery driver ends up in cuffs, accused of stabbing a pregnant woman 14 times over a small tip. The victim, Melinda, was having a staycation with her boyfriend for his birthday, so the couple and their 5-year-old checked into a motel and ordered a pizza. But when Brianna Alvello got there with the order, she reportedly told Melinda she didn't have change for a 50. Police say Melinda scrounged around and came up with enough exact change to cover the pizza plus a $2 tip. Police say Brianna came back around midnight. This time, a man was reportedly with her, and they allegedly held the family hostage at gunpoint inside the room. When Melinda moved to shield her 5-year-old, she claims Brianna pulled out a small knife and started stabbing her. Eventually, Brianna and the man left, and Melinda was rushed to the hospital. She learned there that she had been stabbed more than a dozen times and that she was actually a month or so pregnant. Police spotted a red camera on motel surveillance video. Brianna delivered that pizza, and she drove a red Camry. Police cameras were rolling when she was taken into custody outside the pizza place a few days after the attack. At last check, Brianna is still locked up in jail, facing a list of charges including attempted murder, aggravated assault, and burglary. The man who allegedly helped Brianna during her crime spree is still on the run. Thanks for watching this week's episode. This episode of Law and Crime After Hours was researched, it was written, and produced by Savannah Williamson. Video editing is done by the Daniel Camacho. I'm Sam Goldberg. We're going to see you next week.